going to show you how to create a personalized nutrients formula for your patients. This is the screen you'll see when you've logged in to the formulator. You can click on the two formula lists right here. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see all the formulas that you've created or you've ordered, and you can search for them here if you type in the name and hit enter. Or if you'd like to create a new formula, under the new formula name box, you can type in your patient's first name and last name, which will show up on their bottle. You will click add formula and it will take you to this page. You'll notice a few things. One, it'll have their name there. Two, you can choose how you'd like it in capsule or powder form. Keep in mind with powder, sometimes the flavoring is not great. So if it's somebody who's sensitive to taste, we recommend that they stick to capsules. We also have some flavoring options that you can use as well to help mask some of that flavoring. But even that sometimes is not 100% successful. Here is where you'll see the supply. We have typically what we do is 3-month supply for most patients. We do 60-day and 30-day supplies that you can do, but what you'll see is that the pricing is not much more just to do the 3-month supply, which is why most people start off with the 90-day supply. From there, you can order more and it becomes more economical for the patients too. So if they're on a formula that they can take for the next 6 months, we'd encourage them ordering a 6-month formula. Then here is the formulator. You can see we have our amino acids or vitamins or minerals or botanicals, nutraceuticals. We have some flavoring like I mentioned before and some other ingredients listed there. When you're building a formula, we highly recommend using the protocols tab here. If you have not watched how to create a protocol on our tutorial videos, we recommend it because that video will show you how to create these protocols here to utilize, which we recommend you entering in all the supplements that you use from the other companies. We can have them programmed in here or you can program them in there on the protocols. And you can it's like a digital script pad. So you can build your formulas just by clicking on the protocols. So you can see I just applied the vitamin D K2 protocol, and you can see that added 5,000 IU of D3, 150 micrograms of K2. So you can go down and you can apply each protocol that you'd like to the formula to help you build the supplements much quicker and not have to go ingredient by ingredient. So once you've added your protocols, you can look at it and make any changes needed. You can also add any other ingredients that maybe were not in those protocols. So for instance, if you wanted to add some vitamin E in there, we could add 100 IU of vitamin E. If you wanted to add some vitamin C, you can type that in. You can see the different forms that we offer here. You can add that in. So as you're building the formula, you'll notice a few things. One, it's going to show you the exact serving size. So right now you can see the exact serving size is 1.25 capsules a day. So it's going to be rounded up to 2 capsules a day. So that's just going to show you how many capsules the formula is at. And then this is going to show you a real-time wholesale cost of what the formula is. So currently this formula is $126.88 for a 90-day supply. And then you can see if we were to go to 180-day supply, what the cost difference would be. It's not much. It goes from $126 to $143 for an extra 90 days. So that's going to show you your real-time wholesale cost as you're building it, your serving size. And here you can click on the ingredient to change the dosing. Or if you wanted to, you could even click the red box and you can delete that ingredient from your formula as you're building your formula. So it's pretty straightforward in how to build it. You're just going to choose, your ingredient, and then the dosing that you're putting in is what you want them to get on their full day of dosing. And then it'll let you know how many capsules they'll need to take to get that dosing.